What's going on, and welcome back to another episode on this Volkswagen Beetle. Today I'm doing more of the rear suspension and brakes. As you can see, there's a couple new parts already over here. The new shocks in, new e-brake cable coming down, and I got some more. I got all new brake parts, brake drums and everything that are going to go on here. I've already done the other side of the car. I also got new CV axles for both sides that I'm going to put in. Also, if you can kind of see it through there, I put new heater flap linkages on, so that all works. But today I'm going to just worry about getting the brakes in here, getting the axle in with all the stupid grease you got to put on there. The new shock's already in right there. So pretty much the left side is already done. I'm doing this side today. The front brakes are already done also. So when I'm done with the brakes, I might actually try to drive this thing once I bleed the brakes, obviously. You know, the way it is, put a milk crate in there, put the steering wheel on, and maybe see if I can drive this down the driveway, see it run, stops. I know the engine starts, so it'll actually be kind of exciting to see that happen, and then I can probably finish up the interior next. I wanted to do all this stuff, other stuff first, before I worried about doing all the interior. Obviously you guys have already seen that I did the headliner. That's nothing new, but the rest of the interior's got to get done. So, yeah, it's actually coming along pretty good. Things are looking good, things are looking up. So if you guys like this video, you like the Volkswagen, you know, subscribe, hit the like button, and then you know, stay tuned. I'm going to be posting more stuff all the time on this car.